Nah go invest my money and you take me for fool. No it nah go so. Remember said you do what we not start.
Hey guys, welcome to Dreenie's channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So I'm going to be doing my hair throughout this video. So I'm going to be showing you two styles, how I style my curly hair. As you haven't noticed, I've dyed my hair red. To check out that video, see how I got this done. So now that I'm using my leave-in conditioner that I spritz in my hair, I'm going to do that all around my hair so that it is well moisturized and wet, because my hair is dry at the moment. So I'm just doing that and feeling all the dryness around my head, and then if it's dry, I spritz it with that leave-in bottle, my leave-in conditioner. So now that's all done, I'm going to get my hairband, which I purchased from the hair shop. Okay, so this is a stretchy hairband. It hasn't got any metal thing on it to kind of damage my hair, which is great, so I like that. So now I'm just dragging that back towards the back of my hair so I can get my hair out of the way to get it styled the way I want to. So I'm just fluffing out my hair and stuff, making sure all the fro is balanced. You know, one side can just be fluffier than the other, which ain't cute. And now that's done, I'm going to be doing my edges. The product that I've used, I will show it you know, along the video, so you will see the products I've used in my hair. So now I'm just, you know, just putting the styling gel on my edges, and then I'm going to just style it with my toothbrush. So I don't use the harsh toothbrush bristle, if that makes sense. I use like the soft bristle on the toothbrush, because it helps my baby hair to shape the way I want, in my opinion. And plus, like, the harder ones are just too harsh on my skin when I'm brushing it in. So I'm just doing that, just styling the way I desire for it to be, and I'm still putting it back in so that everything is neating up. And I'm pressing the edge gel in as well, so that there's no white gel paste there. So I'm just smoothing it into my hair so that everything just smooth in to my hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, now that I've done that, I'm going to put my headband behind my edges that I've actually smoothed back into my hair, to make sure it's neater than how it was. As you can see the difference here. So I'm going to do the other side now, placing the edge gel on there, and then I'm going to neaten it up with the toothbrush, as I did before on my other side of my hair. So this is a finished look guys. And this is my style number 2 half top bun, as I call it. So these are the 2 products that I've used in my hair in my first style. So I've actually sprayed my hair again and did my edges after I put my hair in a bun, as you will see now. So now I'm just parting the front bit of my hair and just feeling, you know, like the middle of how I want to part my hair at the front. And then I'm using one of my hair bands just to catch that up, or put it in a ponytail, however you will call it. And then tighten it, but not too tight because I don't like having headaches. So this is not going to be too tight at all. And then I'm going to spread my hair, you know, like widen it so that it's tightened that way. So now that I've done that, this is quite a simple style, guys. Very, very simple. Now that I've done that, I'm going to do my edges again, as you will see, with the gel that I showed you in the beginning. Oh, and here I'm just like spritzing my hair because it was feeling a bit dry, and I hate feeling when my hair is dry, so I tend to spritz it with a leave-in conditioner. As you can see, the shrinkage is so bad. Like as I showed you a while ago, the shrinkage is really bad, but I like it either way. So now that I'm doing my edges now, as you can see, I'm just shaping it the way I want it to be, as I desire for it to be. Swoop, swoop, swoop. And this edge control, I've never purchased it before, so this is my first time purchasing it, and it's very, very strong. It's a strong hold, but it only works on dry hair, not on wet hair. So if your hair is dry, it works perfectly well. That's what I've noticed, and it holds for the all day, literally. And it doesn't come oily as well. That's the one thing I like about this gel. I'm happy that I bought it. It was well spent. The finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it because I love this look so much. This is one of my favorite look. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe as well if you haven't as yet. Bye, guys. So let me know which one is your favorite look, if you like the left hand side or the right hand side. Let me know, guys, down below in the comments.